easy to grow fruits for the Mid-Atlantic and beyond. I am your host, Michael Judd. Very pleased to be here and to share a lot of very tasty, easy to grow fruits and techniques to get you started with success without having to go through the challenges of starting with some of the harder fruits, which often people do because they go to the box stores, the local nursery, they see peaches and nectarines and, golden delicious apples. And they say, oh, I want those. I love to eat those. But in the mid-Atlantic and many parts into the Midwest, growing a lot of these fruits is very, very challenging, especially if you want to do it organically. Gratefully, there are a lot of other easy to grow fruits that take very little care, can be very quick to produce, and can take hot, humid, funky weather and fight off diseases and insects and be glorious, absolutely stunning edible landscape all-stars is what I call them as well, because an all-star for me is something that is easy to grow, that is attractive, that is tasty, and is something that you really enjoy not only having in your landscape, but something that you will go out and you will pick when it's ripe and ready.